I've always wanted to become a millionaire, and to be a millionaire, it does not come out of the blues. You need plans and you need a business that you can leverage to get you there. So I made a plan of what is going to take me there, and also you can use these plans as well so that you can walk this journey with me. So to get to $1 million, I'm going to leverage 3 business models. So the first one is I'm going to use an agency model. So for the agency model, this is what is going to get you close to that. Then you can have a SaaS model that is going to take you to the long term. Then you can have the content model that is going to help these other businesses in terms of generating leads, because once you start putting out the videos out there, you start generating leads for your business. So let's talk about the first business, that is the agency business model. So for the agency business model, currently I have 3 agencies that I'm running. So I do run a lead generation and lead scraping agency called leadscraping.io. You can check out the link in the description below. So running a lead generation business, then I have socialytics.com. This is a social media content agency. So we work with clients to create content for all their platforms. So that is another agency that I'm working on. Then we have postcardify.com. So postcardify.com is a direct mail agency whereby we work with e-commerce businesses to reach out to their customers. So these are the 3 agencies that I'm currently working on. So the way I've set out my agencies, in 3 plans, whereby one is a low tier agency, the second one is a mid tier agency, and the third one is a high tier agency. So by these tiers, I mean one is able to generate the cash flow, then the next one is able to generate the mid-term revenue, then the other one is able to generate the long-term revenue. So I have them set out in those 3 business models so that if one is on the low, the other one is supporting the others. So the goal is to get my agencies to $20,000 per month each. So that is $60,000 per month for all the 3 agencies. So we are looking at around $720,000 for all the agencies per year. Now, how do we get there? We get there by automating the agency such that we do not have to rely on contractors as much. So we are automating the agencies using tools and software so that we are able to reduce the costs of running the businesses by hiring quite a number of employees, so that if we are going to be paying for softwares, we are paying via subscriptions, which are quite cheap. So we are looking at around $29 per month, up to $99 per month. So this is going to enable us to keep most of the revenue of the business and also increase the profit margin of the agencies. Currently we are doing an outreach of around 500 DMs on both Instagram and Twitter. So what we are trying to do is increase the outreach on both platforms, so that if we are able to reach out to many people in a day, then we increase the opportunity for us to sign new clients. Then in terms of the cold emails, we are sending 1,000 cold emails per day. So if we are able to push this number so that we are able to send a higher number of cold emails, we'll be able to sign more clients. So once we are signing more clients and we have tools that are automating the service delivery, yes, we will have some few contractors here and there, but the goal is to sign more clients so that we are able to increase the run rate of this business. So that is on the agency model. Now on the SaaS model, so for the SaaS, this is whereby companies and businesses, they pay a certain subscription amount on a month-to-month basis to continue using your software. So currently I'm running weblysite.com, which is a website builder. We are charging $9 to $9, and we have $19 as well. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to get the first 500 paying clients. So if we're able to get the first 500 paying clients and we maintain them at around that, considering yes, we'll have churn, so we're looking at churn, reducing the churn so that we can be able to keep the customers for quite a long time. So if we are able to do this, we are looking at $174,000 for the SaaS itself. That is $174,000 ARR, that is annual recurring revenue. And now the good thing about the SaaS is it maintains itself, so the only job we have is maybe upgrading, updating, and creating new features. The SaaS that we have right now is able to support all the agencies that we have. So the other one is I want to get on YouTube really seriously. So the goal is to push to 3 million views per month. It's a hard stretch, but it's doable because I'm in the finance and business space, so the CPMs are very good. So the RPMs I've been seeing over the last couple of months for my channel are 15 to 20. So if you have an RPM of 15 to 20, if you're looking at 3 million views, so that's a very good amount. So the first step is to get to 1 million views first. So once you do get to 1 million views per month, then we are looking at $20,000 in YouTube AdSense revenue for the channel. Once we do get to $20,000 in revenue per month, then we can push the bounds to 3 million views. So once we push to 3 million views, then we're getting close to the $50,000 to the $60,000 mark for the YouTube channel. So if you have that, if you're looking at 1 million views, then we're looking at $240,000 in terms of YouTube ad revenue. So that is the views we have multiplied by the RPM that we're going to get, which we've been getting for previous videos that are in the business and finance and the entrepreneurship niche. YouTube at the end of the day will be used as a lead generation platform. By lead generation platform, I mean we'll be able to push viewers who have businesses that want to outsource services to our agency, so it will act as a lead generation platform or a lead generation technique for us. That's the plan that I have to make $1 million. If you intend to make $1 million, you can approach those models. You can leverage content, you can leverage agencies, you can leverage SaaS. So the others that affiliate marketing, you can use those as well, but it depends on what you are really good at and what you actually want to optimize for. So for me, I want to optimize on agencies, I want to optimize on SaaS, and I want to optimize on content on YouTube. So that's my plan to get to $1 million, and I hope it's very helpful to anybody outside there. Cheers.